All right, so now we want to connect this front rail to the fifth hole, right? If we look at the, let's see, whoops. It's the fifth hole over, okay? Fifth hole in from each side. And so we want to grab this, make sure we grab the right axle here. All right, I still have my surface filter on, so I got to grab that, and we want to be on the fifth hole, which would be this one over here. Hold down the control key. Okay, and all right, so now we want to select this surface and that surface. Okay, so now we have that constrained, and at this point we can go ahead and put the screw in. So I'm going to stop the video and I'll just finish doing that. Okay, so we have the screw in here, and one thing I'll be able to do just to see this can still move here. So I'll put in a perpendicular constraint for now. And once the whole thing is together, it won't be necessary. But just to keep that lined up properly for now. So I'll pick this surface and hold down the control key, pick that surface, and pick the perpendicular constraint. Okay. So, and I'm just going to turn off the visibility on the, whoops. Okay. So anyway, so that's all squared up. And now what we would do is just bring in another instance of the side rail. Okay, so we'll just go to here, and here's the inner rail. So we'll bring that in. Okay, and then just get that oriented around. Yep. Okay, and just get that into place. Basically follow the same procedure as we did with this side here. Okay, so the other side is now done. We have the these nut retainers and the nuts on both sides, and the screws on the two top sides there. And so yeah, we take a look at what this looks like, the picture. So you can see that that's in good shape now. And so that's step 4. And I think you get the idea now, and you should be able to continue on and do the rest of the steps following the instructions.